Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Poco C3 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and type repos for Instagram. Then download this app from this developer. Now go into your Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download. For example, that one. Click at the three dots, choose Share To, and pick Repost app. Then go back into the Play Store and open Repost for Instagram. Tap on the photo that you want to download after choosing one of the options. Now tap on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!